I'm Rob Booker. It's nice to see you here. To start things off before we get going, just a reminder that trading involves a substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. You can lose a significant amount of money trading. Like, be my guest. I'd rather not that you lose any money. That's not what we want to do. Here's what I do. I'm a terrible discretionary trader. I trade well on Thursdays and I trade well at the end of the month. But otherwise, I'm like a monkey that got a hold of a bunch of crack and started smoking it and then started trading. Not my favorite line of business. And today I want to talk about my most important trading rules. Most important trading rule. Now, most people think the most important trading rule is don't lose, like as in don't lose money or don't lose at all. That's not the best way to phrase it. The best way to phrase it, the number one rule, is don't lose big. That's the only thing that matters. You don't want to have a huge loss that decimates your trading account. The only way to fail at trading is to lose all of your money and then not be able to trade ever again. That's that's the only way to fail at trading. But the number two rule is actually kind of just important, and no one ever talks about this. Well, I mean, I talk about it, and maybe some of you talk about it, so I apologize. Maybe you already do. But the second most important rule is do it easy. Do it the easy way. There are 1,000 million ways to make trading difficult. You can study economic reports, plus look at depth of market, plus look at level 17 quotes. You can monitor economic releases. You can follow 743 people on the Twitter. You can read every trading book that ever got released. You can use multi-time frame confirmations. You could do all that stuff, but I don't know very many people in the world that are trading successfully after 18 years who are doing it the hard way. You want to do it the easy way. And what I mean by that is you want to find something that works for you, and then you want to tell everybody else in the world to off. You just want to let them know it doesn't matter what they do. You're going to do it your way, and you're going to focus on your way, and you're not going to ask for permission to do it your way. You're not going to apologize for doing it your way. You're just going to do it your way because it's easy for you. You're not going to make excuses or apologies because your risk to reward ratio isn't right, or your win percentage isn't right, or whatever. You're not going to make excuses, and you're not going to make apologies, and you're not going to ask for permission, and you're not going to look for validation from other people. That's ridiculous. Nobody cares if you do it a better way or a worse way. And no one wants to hear you criticize other people about their trading styles. That's the most ridiculous thing in the world. Welcome if you're just joining us now. We went live impromptu, so if you're just joining us now, Nate, we might have some comments as we proceed. Anybody out there?
We got some people here.
We got some people here. Great. That's always nice to know. If you're here later and you're watching the recording, let us know in the comments. Say hello. Nate, I think we should give away another one of these. A can of beer. What if this was our giveaway today? No, we're not. This is not the giveaway.
It may get lost on the way to the post office, just saying.
We still have the box, don't we, for our new device? We still got the box somewhere. So we'll get out the box. We've got something for you if you're watching live or you're watching the recording later on. We've been giving these away just because we love you. It's not part of a promotion. We don't care if you ever give us any money. If you'd like to, that's fine. But we've been giving away Amazon Echoes. We gave one to Charles. We gave one to, I can't remember your name. I can't remember your other name. We've given away like 5 of these and probably gave away 10 ads in the month of February. But if you want one of these, if you want an Amazon Echo, leave a comment below the video, let us know where you're from and say hello. And subscribe to the channel, like or follow me on Twitter, and you'll be part of the group. And we'll send you an Amazon, one of you, an Amazon Echo at random. One guy wrote in and said, hey, did you give the one away that you were supposed to give away? And I said, I'm not sure, Philip. Why don't we just make you the winner? So Philip, you got yours yesterday. And if you're here, you can leave a comment and confirm that that was the case. All right, I'm going to teach you the most important concept in trading that applies universally. Doesn't matter if you're Scott Haywood, Andrew Palladino, Pete Garner, Rob Booker, or Nate, or anybody else. Here's the most fundamental and basic concept of trading. You're going to have, at some point in time, you're going to have an entry. That's completely obvious, and everybody knows that already. And then you're going to have a target. All right. That's the most important concept, but I'm going to express it in a different way. I'm going to say that all price is ever doing is moving from one level to another. This is all that price is ever doing. And I'm going to show you an example of it on the screen here. But this is all that's ever happening. Every successful trading system in the world is simply price moving from one level to another. At its basest, most easy to understand form, all successful trading is the realization that price is moving away from one level, and as it moves away from one level, it's moving to another level. This is all trading. Whether you're using moving average crossovers or the Fibonacci spiral fan of death, or the snake in the toilet price pattern formation, it doesn't matter. It's all the same. Price is always just moving from one level to the next. All right, so I'm going to pull up a MetaTrader account, FX Pro. Thanks to FX Pro for having sponsored the conference in London. Love you guys. You're the best. This is just the this is the Euro British pound, but it could be anything. And I'm just going to scroll back in time, and I'm not going to look, Nate. I don't know if it's even still scrolling. It's not even still scrolling. All right, so clearly I'm not even looking. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to look on this 1 hour chart, and I'm going to draw some levels, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean when I say that price is always moving from one level to the next. Okay, I'm going to draw some trend lines. I'm going to grab the trend line tool in MetaTrader, and I'm going to draw a line across the screen there. You can kind of see it on the, we're okay if you're full screen on the video. And then, Nate, I'm going to zoom out a little bit and just get everything ready. I'm going to also draw a line across those tops here. Okay, we got those there. I'm also going to draw a horizontal line across these levels right here because price repeatedly hit these levels. That's nice. Price stopped at these levels up here, so that's a perfect place for a trend line. And then price stopped at those levels there. So they're all levels. So we got levels on our charts. Now anybody could draw this. If you practice this for 15 minutes to 30 minutes a day, you're done. This is all you ever need. I know I say that a lot and nobody ever believes me, and that's fine. I don't care if you believe me or not. Now what I have levels on my charts. Now if price breaks through this level over here, this level right here, it's broken through, and I'm gonna really get into this now. Price broke through this level right now, and I said earlier, price is always at its basest, most easy to understand form, always moving from one level to another level. That's the simplest way to understand what exactly is happening when we're doing trading. So my guess is that price is, I should have drawn something. Price is going to make it at least halfway the distance to this level up here. Or it's going to make it, well, that's perfect, because that's a nice little area right there. So it's either going to do that, or it's going to fall below this level here and maybe not do what we just said. All right. So it dropped through those levels. It didn't get all the way there. This is going to allow me to draw another level across these areas here. Now I've got another trend line in place here. And I'm going to be able to draw another. This is going to be too steep, so I'm not going to do it. And I'm just going to move forward in time, and we're going to see if we can move forward. Now we've broken this level here. Now price is either, after having broken this level, going to rise up to here, or it's going to break through the lows, and it's going to continue down further to a level I can't see on my charts because I didn't go back far enough. Those are the only two things that can happen now. I mean, it's pretty obvious. If I buy here, stop loss here, target there, or if it stops out and goes lower, I could even trade a breakout lower. Either one of those two things. That's all that can ever happen. I mean, it could go sideways forever. Maybe the zombie apocalypse occurs and the zombies haven't learned how to trade, so they don't move price anywhere. But other than that, that's all that's going to happen. So price eventually takes its dear sweet time getting up to that level. Took a while for that to happen. Let's get some, I don't really think there are a lot of other levels on our charts. Let's put a level down there. That's along those lows here. And I don't really care if I have one across those, but we could do it anyway. Now we've got some levels there. Oh, this is interesting. I could draw a trend line across those. And then I could look at the same thing we've looked at again. I could look for a break above this level and a move to those levels. I wish I had some more levels on my charts. So if it breaks above these, I have some places for it to go. But that's fine, I don't. It broke above this level, got here, then got up there. Let's see if it can get all the way up to, it can get all the way up to that level. And then it breaks through this one. And I think we're fresh out of, oh no, we're not. We've still got levels from way back when. Now, how does it know way further into the future? How does it know that this level is here? How does price, after all this time, get to that level and stop or pause or whatever? It goes back to what we said a few minutes ago. Price is always just transferring from away from one level and to another level. It's either going to break above and move to a profit target, maybe if you bought, or it's going to break below and it's going to move to another level down lower. Maybe stop out, maybe stop and reverse, and it's just going to another level. And as long as you have a financial instrument that's been around for more than a few months, so no IPOs, because that's dumb, but you have an instrument that's been around for a while, you can draw those levels on your charts with basic support and resistance. And I think over the next few days, I think we should produce some support and resistance lessons right here, and we'll do them live on the web, and then we'll just show you how maybe you could draw those lines and you could practice that skill of trading from one level to the next. Last of all, as we get ready to announce a winner, you can go to the home page of the website, robbooker.com, get more information, stay in touch, send me a message, all that good stuff. And Nate, do we have somebody here who deserves an Amazon Echo?
I think everybody deserves one.
Everybody deserves one, but we're...
Even Mr. Scott Cook would be a deserving individual.
Scott...
K-O-C-H.
Scott K. Coke, or whatever else. You're the winner. Send us a message. Send me a message on Facebook or reply to any email that I've ever sent you in the world. Let me know your full name and your mailing address, and I will Amazon Prime you one of those bad boys. Thank you for being here, everybody. This has been a great test. I'm glad that we got a chance to do this. We're back up and running on all of our equipment. I love you all, and we'll see you tomorrow or on Friday. Bye for now, everyone. Hey, it's Rob Booker, everybody. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more great content and you're on the Booker Wealth site, go to the bottom right of this page and just watch more videos. I got a ton of them. Or if you're on the YouTube channel, just hit that subscribe button and the bell, and I'll let you know when I make new content. I love you all. Have the best day ever.